Welcome to the 2014 men's soccer season preview. We are excited about the upcoming season, as we always are. We're 2 weeks in right now, 2 weeks of training camp, some difficult days with hot sun and 2 and 3 practices a day, and our guys have come through it very well. Healthy, hardworking, great attitudes. Really excited about the spirit of this team and the chemistry that's being developed already. We are starting our preseason phase tomorrow as we head out to California to play Redlands and Cal Lutheran, 2 of our 6 preseason games, kind of the second phase of our season. So as we move into that, one of the things that we're very excited about with this team this year is the number of incoming freshmen and transfer players that are going to play great impacts on our team. We have 4 transfers and 10 new freshmen, and some of the guys that are going to play some key roles for us this year would be Jacob Beck, who's a transfer, is a Sounders Academy player who came in after 2 years of community college, but he still has 4 years of eligibility left. He's going to kind of slide into that left back spot right away. We're real excited about his ability and what he can bring to the team. We have Casey Phillips, who came to us from Highline Community College, but has played at high levels in both club and kind of in the off seasons, and he'll be also a great addition to our back line. We have Nate Pop, who's a transfer from Western Washington University, and he will be part of our midfield, and we're real happy with Nate and his ability to see and have vision on the field and make great passes. And then our last transfer is Terold Wernes, who's a Norwegian transfer, and he's brought in an element of toughness and technical ability that's been a real good addition. So we're excited about those 4 transfers, as well as our freshmen and some of the key freshmen that are going to be playing some big roles for us this year. We have Bennett Bugby and Aaron Baumgardner, who both played for Crossfire on the same team coming in. We have Joel Frickum from Colorado, who's an FC Boulder player, and he's done really well in preseason. Rene Ramos, Eddie Naw from Curtis High School has a chance to be a very good goal scorer for us, and so we're really excited about all of our freshmen. Some of them who I think will contribute right away. As far as our returning players, I think we have a really nice core of returning players, and I think they're going to be very important to our success this year because they're going to have to provide the leadership and the experience for our group. 2 of the big guys, big keys for us, and that is going to be Justin Maneo and Kevin Ween, who are both our senior captains. Kevin's a 4-year starter. Justin has been a 4-year kind of spot starter. He's been injured the last couple of years, but we're really excited for him to kind of be able to be healthy and have a great season this year. Bryce Archambaugh is also a returning senior who is really developed into a good left back for us. And then as well as some of our younger returners, Troy Olger, Diego Aceves de la Cruz, Junior Loretto, all returning all-league type of guys. And then even some new guys on the scene, Christian Nesselquist, who's had a great preseason, Isaac Summer, who's much improved from last year, and Mike Arguello, who is going to be our starting goalkeeper, and as a junior, this will be his first year as a starter. He's been great in preseason. So a lot of good returning players that can help kind of carry us through as we try to gel and find some chemistry between 14 new guys and 17 returners. The team has high expectations. We have high expectations for them. This program always has high expectations, and the highest of expectations is that we compete to try and win the Northwest Conference title. We have a team that I think that will be competitive throughout the season and hopefully be there with the opportunity to win that, along with some of the great competition in our conference. But our goal is always to do that, and so everything we do throughout the season is working to strive towards that goal. And so as we get into the preseason, we've set ourselves up with a real difficult preseason to try and help us accomplish that. And so we're heading down to California to play Redlands and Cal Lutheran, both top 25 national powerhouse type teams. We bring in Gustavus from Minnesota, who's also a top 25 national powerhouse type of team. We're going to see Santa Cruz, who's always a really great opponent, and Hamlin, who's an up-and-coming difficult team from Minnesota. And then we play Trinity Lutheran out of Everett, who is also a very quality opponent. So difficult preseason that will prepare us for our regular season. So we have high expectations for the group. We have a nice group of players. They're real excited to get going. They're very excited to the opportunity to hopefully win a Northwest Conference championship. And as we continue to gel and create chemistry and get better on the field, we feel like we can have an opportunity to be there and compete.